Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix. We are aware that there is an issue with saving changes to avatars on your Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue when you are saving changes to avatar on your Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, mostly this issue occur when there is a server problem with the Roblox. If there is any server down, you can face this type of issues. So if you want to confirm for that, you just need to go to the Chrome browser, open the Chrome browser, then go to the down detector website. You can see a down detector. You just need to type like this, then hit on enter. Select downdetector.in. Here you will find whatever websites or apps. If there is any server issue with them, you will find here. Just you need to tap on this search icon, then search for Roblox, then tap on enter. Here you will find if there is any issue with the Roblox. Currently there is no issue with the Roblox. If you are facing this type of issue, you can check like this. Below you can see server connection, website and login. You will find the percentage how much it is facing the issue with the server connection, or how much the problem is facing with the website or the login issue. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix. We are aware that there is an issue with saving changes to the avatar on your Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.